Sunod ko si MB. MB, MB, maraming salamat MB. Hello, Losi Warrens. Bigay Lord, shout out, Losi. Thank you for visiting here. Yeah, my signal no good. I have a very slow signal. I don't know. Because of the network. Losi, thank you so much. Yeah, I will visit your channel, okay? And thank you for visiting here. Yeah, I'm watching here from Jane White Sikoy. Lucy, I'm coming in your channel, okay? After this. Sisikoy Jane White, nandito ako sa iyong Valentine's Day gift. Ito yung premiere mo. And Daryl, this is 27 minutes. Mga 7 minutes pa lang na-play ko. So, 20 minutes more. For what's natin yan, guys. Thank you. Salamat sa pagtambay, sa gustong tumambay. Lucy, I know it's morning time here, there in US. So, good morning, my friend. Lucy Warren's World. Yeah, I'm coming to visit your channel. I'm coming to visit your channel, MB. Thank you, MB, ha. Meron akong isang premiere. So, can you please support my my 2 premieres ako, guys. Naman yung kamot ani. Siguro mag-ano ako, mag-last chatter. Last chatter in my premiere this coming Saturday. Bukas yata eh. Yet, I will check later. Last chatter for the premiere. Para mag-enjoy ang all. 150. Win 150 pesos. Yes. Oh, 'di ba? 3 kilong bigas na 'yun. 3 kilong bigas na. So, enjoy lang. Share the blessings. Ay, 8 milliones likes. Maraming salamat. Hindi niyo ako narinig. Magsulat kayo, guys. Lucy, just thank you for dropping by. I know you're very busy. You're going to work now. Jane White is so cute talaga na si Big. Jane White is so pretty.
Stay tuned lang po tayo, guys. Shoutout na pala ako sa mga members ko at saka sumusuporta dito sa channel ko. Thank you so much, guys. Support niyo na ipinapakita niyo. Thank you so much, guys. Kaya stay tuned lang po tayo.
Ah. Stay tuned. Jane White premiere, 10 minutes. So, replay ako dito si Sikoy. Si Sikoy Jen. Ay, kasi maaga yan matulog eh. Matakot si Sikoy Jen masira ang kanyang beauty. Kasi, sleep early. Take time to rest at early. Pang paano daw yan guys, pang paganda ng aura. Ewan ko lang. Kasi, kagala kong matulog.